We're going to play Avatar round. That's house store. I'm not done in the backyard yet. This is the kitchen. I'm not done this room. This is the living room. And this is the swimming pool upstairs. Let's just wait. And this is my mom's bedroom and dad's bedroom. And this is the chargers. This is the clothings. And this is the bathroom upstairs. This is the... Sorry for the noise. That's just my mom. This is my room and my baby's room. Let's go buy some stuffs. Where I am. Let's go downstairs. Guys, my mom is gonna buy some stuff. Let's go. Guys, I'm telling you how to get this. Please ask the comments. We're going to buy. Please don't copy my avatar. Going to house. So hot. It's so hot in the Philippines. Let's buy here. Right here. Where to put it? I know I don't like this. Let's put here. What is this? What is this, guys? No. We have pillows. Let's go put right here. It's the toys. Just the remote, guys. Where's the babies? If you have no phone, just download screen recorder. Baby. And the toddler. I'm gonna introduce herself. This is Screech. My pinsana. And the dad. Let's go. We're going to buy something in the supermarket. We're going to get the credit card. Sorry for my voice. Guys, mainit. Where's the credit card? Oh my god. Where's the credit card? I'm gonna use sister's credit card. My videos is ugly in YouTube, right? Todd made my old videos. If you like and subscribe, thank you for all. Just subscribe. I'm going to hit 5,000. Please subscribe. I'm going to record Roblox too. No, I don't have Roblox here. That's my sister Roblox. She's gonna be mad. Let's go. We're going, I know. We're going to the shop. We have a new outfit, guys. Let's get. There's the dog. Just wait here. She's gonna play. Deny my voice. Let's buy. Decorate. Let's go buy some clothes. Let's get my the voice. Let's get some clothes. What do you want, honey? This. You have clothes. Oh no. Sorry for the bad recording. Where's that one? So hot. Let's wait a minute, guys. We're gonna buksan the electric fan. Sorry for my Tagalog voice. Sorry for the electric fan. Sorry for the fan. Sorry for the voice. Let's go, guys. Hey. Sorry for the bad recording. Let's get some shorts. And this for my husband. We have a new. This is good. We're gonna buy it. Oh, we are not. Upstairs. Guys, I'm done recording, but let's see my subscribers. This is me, guys. This is my videos. Thank you for 99 subscribers. Thank you all. Bye.